Okay guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook group. Open your Facebook, click on your profile menu button, and you click on groups. When you click on groups, click on this plus menu button. Then you can say create a post or create a group. Click on create a group. Name your group. I will name my group as something random now. And you can choose a privacy with this public group you want to create or a private group. So I'll click on the public group and you click on done. Now create group. Your group is creating now. It is very easy. So the next thing is for you to invite people that you wanted to add into your group. You can just send an invite here, send an invite, send an invite. You can just say, and you can search for people you want to send an invite to invite them to join your group. So if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment. Thank you for watching.